and go through the entire thing twice. Give me 5 seconds to hit the timer button and I'll see you then. Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to start with the first exercise in about 10 seconds. It's going to be a close grip row to reverse fly. So grab your weights as challenging as you can. Like I said, start with my right arm. And let's go. Remember, challenging weight. Alright, we got 5 seconds. Get ready, support the lower back. Grab your... So I'll do this one facing you guys. Down, get up to that wall. Step forward a little bit. Grab your weights. Lean your butt up on that wall. And we go in the same thing, guys. Close grip curl. Give me some good reps here. Nice and slow and controlled movement. Keep that elbow in. Keep that back as straight as you can. Concentrate on work.